part 2 of the fluid. So I don't know what to do with this. I just want to play it. And just look here. I'm gonna take a bowl. We'll make this like a bowl. Just look, guys, look. It becomes into the liquid again.
Bakit? Paano ako sinang pan?
Like what? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, guys. And I need a towel again. I will wait. I will get this one.
Doesn't want to come up to my hand.
So let's leave that and wash our hands. Octopus fry. I will still hide this. I don't know where to hide this. Oh, I know now where to hide this. This is liquid, okay? Let it. Okay, mabuti na hindi natapon. And I don't know where to hide it. I think I can hide this like in the attic. I don't know. We don't have an attic. I just plainly said attic. And I think I will cover this up in this towel, nicely bent towel in our school. This is bent to our school because we keep slapping this. So I will hide this up